It's Shayla.Donnice TV.
So hey y'all, hey, so today I'm making air fried rice, salmon, and asparagus. Like absolutely love salmon. Huh? I absolutely love salmon. You don't like salmon? She gonna try it. You don't like rice? Yes, she do. She never had asparagus, so we're gonna see how she like that. But I'm air frying everything. You don't like it? But I'm air frying everything. Y'all know I love my air fryer. Like, this is the best gift I've ever gotten in my entire life. Like, the best. Besides my daughter, of course. But anyways, I'm gonna air fry everything. I'm gonna show y'all how I do everything like I normally do. So let's get to it. This is the rice I'm gonna be air frying. Well, it's already done. It just needs to be warmed. So we're gonna warm it in the air fryer. Yeah, this time you just open a little bit and put it in the microwave, but we're gonna warm it in the air fryer. See how that works. I just added a little bit of butter on the bottom of the pan, and we're gonna put this in the air fryer for 3 minutes. Yeah, it's this other air fryer I want. It got 2 baskets on it. Like, oh my god, I really need that one. Yeah, I seen that on TV, and I'm like, I need that air fryer. It got 2 baskets on it. I can cook everything at the same time if I had that one with the 2 baskets. So I think I'm gonna try to get that. Even though I am so thankful and grateful for this one I got, but I do want the one with the 2 baskets on it. So I think I'm gonna gift myself that one for Christmas. I don't know. I'm gonna see. But anyways, y'all, let me finish cooking. I just wanted to come on here and tell y'all that. Here's the rice. It's done. Air fried broccoli cheddar rice. We just had to warm it because it's already done. I'll have to go to the store and get some regular white rice so I can actually air fry the rice to see how it come out. But yeah, now we're gonna do the salmon. Okay, y'all. Got the salmon in there. Y'all seen me seasoning. I sprayed some butter on the bottom of the pan. I put some jerk sauce on mine. I didn't put none on Flowers. But I don't even know if she's going to eat it. But I just didn't want to, you know, put none in hers. But anyways, I'm going to put this in the air fryer for 20 minutes. Because I like mine a little crunchy. So, yeah. Yeah, here is the salmon. It's done. It looks so good. I want to taste it. You want to taste it? Okay. Okay, y'all, let me make the asparagus. I'm going to air fry the asparagus. So,
First,
But it looks so good. You want to taste it? She never had salmon before, so this is her first time eating salmon. But it looks so good, y'all, and it smells so good. Okay, I put a little bit of butter on the bottom of the pan for the asparagus. I'm going to put a little bit of garlic salt on it. A little bit of onion powder. Just to give it a little bit of flavor. And a little bit of black pepper. And then I'm going to spray a little bit of the butter on top of it. And we're going to put this in the air fryer for 4 minutes. Yeah, here go the asparagus. This is my second time having asparagus and I absolutely love it. Barbara has never had it before, so I'm going to see if she likes it. But this is how it looks. And I put it on 4 minutes and I put butter, garlic, onion powder, and salt on it. I mean the black pepper on it. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know any video recommendations you want me to do. She's talking about, can be down below. But anyways, let me know any video recommendations you guys want to see. Let me know if you eat salmon, if you eat asparagus, how do you cook your salmon and asparagus. Yeah, but it's really, really good. The rice is so good, even though it was already made. She said subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. But even though the rice was already like cooked, I just warmed it. I'm gonna get some regular rice, some white rice, and cook it in the air fryer to see how it actually cooked. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, click the bell so you'll be notified when I post, and I will see you guys in the next one.